Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes reality, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to use SocialBee for social media. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into socialbee.com. This is the homepage as you can see, and you have here various things. But before, let's know what is SocialBee. SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So you have just to click over sign up for free and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with the dashboard here. So this is the home page. So here we have hello, stay on top of your social hive by creating and scheduling posts consistently. Getting started with SocialBee, set up your account in just a few minutes. We have the first step is connect social accounts to increase your online presence. Then we have the second step, define your content categories to manage and diversify your posting strategy. Then we have schedule categories to craft the perfect posting plan. Then we have the last step, which is create and customize posts for each network. When we scroll down, we have your connected social accounts, view and manage your social accounts in one place. So we have just to click over create posts, and this is it. You have just to choose between add variation or customize for each profile. So you have just to select all. Also, we'll select one. Select no one. So I will select no one. So then you add a variation first. Then when to post, you post now or you post at a specific time. If you click over post now and at specific time, you will choose the specific time, which is, for example, 25 here, September 2024. Then you have at 10 o'clock. Then apply. And this is the posting time. Then we have category here, content without a category. We have you created engaging posts or blogs and videos. Then we have promotional. Then we have you at the top of the queue. Then we have at the bottom of the queue. Then we have here the queue after posting. Then we have your expired post, expire after it was published, for example. Choose how many times. Then we have expire at a specific date, for example 25 and 11 o'clock. Then you click over apply. Then you click over save post and you're done with creating your create a post. So if you scroll down, we have your connected social accounts, view and manage your social accounts. Then we have here connect a new account, add more social accounts to increase your online performance. For example, we have Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter. We have also Google Business Profile, TikTok, YouTube, Key, Universal Posting. Then we have Service Marketplace. Here we have formed a partnership with Fiverr, granting you access to a diverse range of service providers. Within the SocialBee certified marketplace, hire SocialBee experts. Are you an agency also? Then we have here SocialBee University. I love the dynamic world of digital marketing with courses and I love events that covers all social media strategies. Become a social media manager. How to use SocialBee. Then you have your content. Your content categories, you have just to click over create category and you have here set up category, default settings, URL settings. Then you have your category name and you add description here and you have category color and you click over create category. You have your hashtag collection, add, edit or delete your hashtag collections. From here you will be able to quickly add them to your posts, and then you click over add hashtag collection, collection name, hashtag lists, and then you click over create. Then we have import CSV. It only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to account with a CSV import. Then we have you please choose the social profiles you want to share on. You select all or select no one. Then we have how should you prepare your spreadsheet. We have download a simple spreadsheet. Then we have view the fakes if you have questions. Then we have import links here, and we have about import links. Turn 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. Then we have import media. Save time by importing your media in bulk. It works with images and videos. Then we have your RSS. Add, edit, and remove your RSS feeds below. Keep in mind that they refresh every hour. Then we have package here. Add, edit, and remove your packet below. Keep in mind that it refreshes every hour. Then we have your table. Also browse through extension and content approval. Then we have social media couples here. Answer the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend. Then we have also schedule setup. This one, you have just to click add posting here, choose how many days. Then you select the category here and also posting time, for example 9 o'clock. Then we have schedule statistic here. Then we have next post. Also here take a log of at your upcoming 100 posts. Then we have also here analytics. See here how your social profile has been performing and growing. Then we have also SocialBee services, and then we have engaged here, add new port, and we have name here, create. And then we have your questions and feedback. You have just to write the subject topic here, and you write your message, then you click over send. So SocialBee is a powerful tool for managing your social media presence effectively. To get started, first sign up for an account and connect your social media profiles. Then create content categories based on your marketing goals, such as promotions, industry news, and engagement posts. You can schedule posts in advance, allowing for consistent sharing without daily effort. Use the content calendar to visualize your posting schedule and adjust as needed. Additionally, take advantage of SocialBee's recycling features, which helps you repurpose evergreen content, maximizing its reach over time. Finally, monitor engagement analytics to refine your strategy and optimize your future posts. With SocialBee, you can streamline your social media efforts and enhance your online visibility effortlessly. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.